So that we need to work out. And as I told, all of you must open MySQL. So before starting the today's topic, just we need to go with one syllabus. Then you can understand. Yes, my screen is visible. Is this my screen is visible? Hello?
No, sir.
Screen is not visible. Now check.
No, sir.
What about now? Still it is not visible. Hello?
No, sir.
Again I am sharing. Now? What about now?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yeah, thank you. Now here in second unit, just we completed up to these topics. We stopped at views because in the last class I explained we discussed about joins. What is join and types of joins in SQL with example and with execution. We worked on joins. We know we are going to extract the data more than one table. It is only possible with help of joins. So that we discuss different categories of joins. Maybe inner joins, outer joins, natural joins, equal joins, non-equal joins, okay, cross joins. All these joins we discussed in the last class with examples. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Have you understood all these joins? All of you understood the joins?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, why I discuss join is now views. So when we are going to understand views, joins are going to play vital role at the time of view creation. So that I taken consideration joins before discussing of views. Now today we are going to discuss about the views and if time permits, if we are supporting more, then we'll go with aggregate operators also today. So now coming to today's topic is views. Here before starting view, here I want to explain what is a view. Here view is nothing but it is a image of a table. It is not exactly a table, it is a virtual table. I can tell you it is a virtual table. Why it is a virtual table? Means, for example, I'm having a table. I will show you student table. Use uh, course, right? Use course database and select star from students. Now here in this course database, already I'm having student table. The student table is having student ID, student name, login, age, GPA, date of birth, phone number, mail, Aadhaar, and gender. Now, as a database administrator, now this data is completely there in the department, for example. Now, placement officer is asking, please provide data for the students, hall ticket numbers, and GPA. Here, if he is going to ask, then if we send total table, you use students table, select star from student, then you can run. Means we are going to give complete data, right? First of all, we are giving complete data. He is going to execute, select star from student data means he will get everything, every information of each student. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello. Yes, if I give students is a my table, if I give students table, you execute it, you will do that select star from students. Now he can get everything. Yes, the student is a girl or boy or age or GPA, mail ID, date of birth, phone number, Aadhaar, etc., etc., etc. Yes or no? Hello. He can access all the data, but all information about the student. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, but placement officer wants all this information. Is it necessary for placement officer or maybe any company if they are going to recruit? That company is going to require all the students' information, all information about the student. Hello. Placement people wants all the information about the student.
No, sir.
No. Now tell me what information they want. Hello.
CGPA roll number.
Sorry.
CGPA.
GPA, CGPA or GPA. Yes. In this table, I have taken GPA. Yes. All ticket number and GPA. Yes. Particular student, which student is having which GPA. Yes, that information only they required for providing of that placement interviews and etc. etc. But we are giving complete. If we are giving tables, then you can access everything. So that is the first problem is here again he has to search that particular required data out of that particular table. Yes or no? That is the first problem. Are you clear? Are you clear? Respond quickly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now the second problem is here as an administrator we are given data to maybe the training people or maybe any other company. We are given complete our students database to end user, they can access that data and even they can insert, they can delete and they can modify also in that data. Yes or no? They can use our data for unnecessary purpose also. Even they can insert, they can delete, they can update also. If I give my table as choose to the end user. Are you clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Means two problems. Maybe that end user maybe can change the data or delete and end user maybe insert the data or end user they can use the data for other purposes because we are given complete data means complete information of the particular student. Maybe they can use other purposes also. There is a chance. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello? That company is a third person, right? Third party, right? Not related to college. So that they can use. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that to avoid these problems, they implemented views. Here, views is nothing but it is going to create a table. Views also a table. I don't think view is a different, but views only read the data. When we are going to prepare a view, now as the administrator, you are going to prepare a view on table as per the requirement, and you are going to give that view to the end user. End user in the sense maybe that particular training people or maybe that company, so that they can access only that data. Means they are going to use that view. They are not going to use the table. They are going to use only that view. Whatever the view we are created and we are assigned to that particular end user or maybe the training officer, he can verify only that data. Means he can get exact whatever he wants and he cannot misuse that data also. Means even he cannot update the data also because views are going to provide required information, and views cannot affect on tables. Views are only virtual tables. Views are going to view the data. Views cannot be update the data, cannot be delete the data, cannot be change the data. So that here views are going to help a lot when we are assigning, when we are providing to access our data to multiple people. Means views are readable tables. They cannot change anything on the table. So that here our work is going to done faster. And even I can tell you one more point also. Here we can create more number of views on one table. For example, HOD wants what type of information generally out of total data? What type of information wants HOD generally? Hello? Hello? What type of information wants HOD? Student all ticket number and maybe the attendance. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your class teacher wants student all ticket number and less than 70%, 75% students who are having attendance. Here, like this, here same table, same student table, we can use different views we can prepare and we can assign. Here HOD, you can assign one view to HOD, one view to director, one view to your class teacher, one view to placement officer, one view to external companies, one view to maybe the parents. Here like that, here base table is there. Here we can create a number of views on particular table. Here when we are changing any data in the table, automatically changing means modification, nothing but updation or deletion or insertion on table, it will be affect directly views. So again, you no need to create again view. Whatever the view is there, it is there. Here, once you have to insert a record in the student, automatically that is going to affect on views. So that is what exactly the advantage of views. Now understand why views are required now. All of you understood? Hello? All of you understood why views are required? Hello? No, Mohan. Yeah. Means you are not joined from the beginning, right, Mohan? Mr. Mohan, unmute your mic and tell me. I think you are not joined from the beginning or joined from the beginning. Yeah, that is the problem. Again, you are asking means you that is already texted. Still, only 38 students are joined. Now people are joining now. Yeah, I will explain. But that is the problem. Sure, at least 5 minutes you have to join before then you can understand. Yeah, again I am telling, if you don't, again you don't ask me. The time is wasting because of you. Your syllabus is not going on. You are not replying, and you are joining late. Okay. Again I am telling, if the syllabus is not going to finish on or before Saturday, here I will take 1 or 2 hours as the time of your examination period. Means afternoon session. Maybe the Monday or Tuesday, whatever the things are going to happen in that time. Is it okay, everyone? Maximum I will finish. If it is not finished, any problem, anything we are not finishing, I will take. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Again, I will repeat this. You know, when placement officer generally wants only the student table, from student table, only the student ID and maybe the GPA. Yeah, because you want to know only the GPA percentage or maybe the number of backlogs, such type of information. He don't want the names, age, date of birth, phone number, sometimes Aadhaar number, all these things you don't, gender you don't want. But when I assign the student table as it is to placement officer, he can access complete data. So if he is going to access complete data, again he has to verify the particular data what he wants. And sometimes there is a problem, they can insert or they can manipulate or they can delete, they can do anything. Alter table also they can do because we are giving table to him. So not only placement officer, sometimes we are going to assign in the time of placement, one company is going to recruit our students. If I give this table, complete table to that, they can use any other purpose also. So, to avoid such type of problems, here they implemented views. Here views is nothing but it is a virtual table. Here when we are going to create view on a table, you can choose whatever the data we want to provide to that particular user. And even though using views, you cannot update the data and you cannot delete the data and you cannot access complete data. You can access only the particular data, whatever we are assigned in the views. So not only that, when we are wanting to create more than one view, yes, we can create more than one view also. For example, same student data, sometimes HOD wants, then we can create a view for HOD that contains only student hall ticket number and attendance and phone number. Maybe the attendance and student hall ticket number. Class teacher wants student attendance, hall ticket number, and maybe the phone number also. So like that, maybe the operator you want all ticket number and the mail ID and phone number. So like that, different people wants different categories of data. Your only base table is there, but we can create a number of views on that particular table. That every view is going to access by different user, and the accessing is very easy, and those users cannot be change anything on my base table. And even as the administrator, if I change anything on the data, that particular table, then automatically the data is reflecting to views. So that views are going to help a lot. At the same time, multiple people they can access multiple categories of data from the same table. Now, what happened at a time, more people will be accessed and more category of data is going to access, and there is no change in the table. Sure. Only they are going to read the data. They cannot change the data. Only they can access the data, view the data. So that's why these views are also called as virtual tables. Here, view is nothing but a table. It is also a table, but it's a virtual table, and it is only a readable table using views. So this is what exactly the views are required. If the views are not required, hello, 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 is it okay now? Clear?
Yes, sir.
That the guy is Mohan. Is it clear, Mohan now? Yeah. Right. So that views are going to help a lot because if you assign a complete table to people, then they can use different purposes. So that I don't want to maybe unnecessary things also they can use. So that I want to avoid, means provide more security of my data. For that, views are going to help a lot. Here, and after learning of creation of views and other operations of views, I will discuss about the advantages of views. Very important. Okay? In industry, after designing of the database, they will use views only. Very, very important. Okay. Uh, are you clear now? All of you clear now? If you are clear, then I will go with views creation.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Right. Now, view. Now, the first, please, all of you. Open your MySQL and start execution of views along with me, please. Now, first one is the create view. So how to create the view? Here, first of all, initially I'm going to explain syntax. Very easy. After that, we will discuss and execute views with different categories. The syntax is create view view name. Create view name as is as. Now under this you can write your select query. That is what you want to select. Here create view name as. This is a syntax of creating the views. Here under as, then you can write a select query. What exactly columns you want? That is select maybe the columns. Means column one or whatever the columns you want, you can select here. From table name. So this is the syntax for creating of view. Are you clear? All of you clear about the syntax? All of you clear about the syntax? Very simple. Yeah,
Yes,
then
sir.
select. Yeah, you know, all of you know select query, how to write the select query, even joins, everything you know. So many things we discussed. If that select query, whatever the select query you want, right, you can write here. Conditional select query also you can write here. Here under create view name, view name, view name as create view name as you can write anything. So like that, a number of views you can create on one particular table. Then we will discuss one example. Now this is a student table. Your student table is having these many columns: SID, student name, login, age, GPA, date of birth, phone number, male, other, and gender. Now I want to create student one view. Here who are girls. Here girls view I want to create and boys view I want to create. For example, say, don't take as it is. Just I am giving the idea how to create it. Are you clear? Here you can create your own views. All of you clear? Create view. Create view. View name is G girls students. You can keep any name. Don't think compulsory I have to write underscore. For understanding, for simplification of view name, I am taking the G means girls underscore students. Like that I am taking. Means whatever the name you want to write as a view name, you can write it. Are you following? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Create view G students as. Select what are the columns I want to select SID and student name. Okay. SID, comma, STD name from students. Here, even in this syntax, you can continue with where clause also. Here, without where clause also we can write. With where clause also we can write. Means, here, first of all, we'll go with without where clause so that I can another create view. Uh, okay, only article numbers and name. Okay, then I can take S underscore students as you can write continuous also, don't go down also. Even if you want to write a continuous statement also, you can write it. Uh, select select SID, comma, student name from students. Yes, very simple. Just I want to display only student ID and student name with this view. Are you clear? Hello? All of you clear? I want to create a view on students, that is SID and a student name only I want to display using this view. All of you clear this?
Yes, sir.
Just same thing, just I am creating view. Right. Even you can write continuous statement also. Create view. Your view name is S underscore students as select SID and the student name from students. Now I am creating. Yes, view is created successfully. Then I want to display that view. Here, how to display the view? Very simple. Here, all of you note it down. Same like how to write select star from student name. In the same way, you can write select star from view name. Are you clear? All of you
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Select star from view name. What is the view name here I created? Tell me.
Student, student.
Not student. S
S
underscore.
underscore students.
Please remember the view name so that the same like students, how to view, same way we can display the view like this. Select to start of front. Yes. So now I will give this S underscore students. Anyone wants, for example, anyone wants, for example, remaining class people, class faculty wants, I want student all ticket number and names because I want to write a register. So that I created this view. What is view? S underscore students view. Then I will give it to them faculty. You can use S underscore students view. Then they can execute select star from S underscore students. Then they will get only directly, you will get what they will get? Only all ticket number and name. They cannot change anything because it is a view. Understand? There are all the all tickets and along with the names they can get. Then they can update their registers. So there is no chance of changing anything. If I give complete data, again they will do anything. That's what I don't want to give any permission to access my database, modification of database, so that I will give this. Understand? All of you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Creating view and accessing view. Clear? This time is running quickly. All of it clear. Creating view and accessing of view. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Good is this. Then even we can create a view with condition. For example, I want to create a view that is a girl students and boy students. So that I want to display only particular data, only girl students data. Then I'm creating the view name is G underscore students. I select SID and student name from students. Now we can write where clause here. Where? Tell me where? How to write where clause? You know, gender equal to female. Are you clear this query? Are you clear this query?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now if I run this, what happened? If I run, something is wrong. What is that? Check. Select SID. Create view. View name is the students and select SID, STD name from students, where gender. Anything is missing here, go to SID, student name, STD name. F, F is gender equal to F. Everything is missing here, where What is the error? Table G students already exist. Uh-huh. Already it is existed. Okay. Already it is existed. So that means it is already created. So that select how to display this.
Now start from G
Select to start
underscore
from
students. G underscore students.
G underscore. Now it is showing only girl students. Are you clear? All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now if I want to display the boy students, tell me the query how to write. Tell me the view how to write quickly.
So create view
Create view,
B underscore B underscore students and
create view.
B underscore underscore
Boys, you want boys, B underscore. You can take any name, not a problem.
yes.
Students as
Select SID
select SID, comma, student
STD name of
name from students. So now we have to write where class here. Where
gender is M.
gender equal to male. Correct? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Now view is created. If we want to display the view, how to display? Tell me. Tell me. Hello. How to display this
B
view?
under B underscore students.
Yeah. B underscore. So this is a view name. Now only boys it is going to display. Like that, one table we can create more uh, views as per the required data. Then if you are understood, can tell me any one of you. I want to display. Hello, all of you write down. Create view quickly. Create view. Create a view. It is going to display student ID and GPA and GPA who are having GPA greater than 2.4. Who are having GPA greater than 2.4. Yeah, tell me. Now tell me. Create a view, content, student. Someone started. Tell me.
Create a view
Create view.
S underscore details.
Yes, already we have taken S underscore students.
I mean I said details.
Uh,
S underscore details.
you are changing S underscore
Details.
details. Any name you can use, not a problem. Details
As
as
select
select
SID
SID.
comma
Hmm.
STD name
std
underscore name
name
from students
from students
where
where
GPA is greater than 2.5.
GPA greater than 2.4.
2.4.
Yes, right. Good. So now view is created. Now how to display this view? Select star from view name. What is the view name? He has given S underscore details. Here like this. Are you clear? These are the students who are having GPA greater than 2.5. Are you clear? Hello? All of it clear? Yeah, you can write all select conditional queries under view. So whatever the conditional way you can display the select query, you can write under view, you can write it. It will be run and you can assign this view to anyone. Done? All of you clear this? All of you clear this?
Yes, sir.
Creating a view, everyone, I think everyone knows. Creating a view and selecting a view. See how to display the view, you know, and creating of the view also you understood. Clear? Clear? Hello? Hello? Today still only 48 students are there. Yes, all of you clear this creating of view?
Yes, sir, it is right.
Now, coming to yeah, update view. Means, what is the meaning of update view? Here we are created one view just now. What is that? S underscore details. Means the students we are displaying who are having the GPA greater than 2.4. In that, I want to update along with that, I want to display SID, student name, and one more column also I want to add here age and my condition I want to display only the girl students who are having GPA 2.4. Now this change I want. Understand what I am telling? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So just now we are created. Here I don't want to change existing. I don't want to change existing view. Here I want to update that view. Understand now? I don't want to change that view and I want to update something on that view. Maybe number of columns I want to increase, or maybe number of conditions I want to increase, or maybe I want to change something. Here instead of SID and STD name, I want to change, I want to remove STD name and I want to display SID and age here and GPA greater than 2.4 and OR girls I want. So like that, some changes I want to make it in my view. Yes, it is possible. Are you clear? The meaning of update? All of you clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Then how to write? Very simple. Here create or replace means what is the meaning? Already it is there, it is going to replace with this updated version. If it is not there, it is going to create. This is the meaning. Create or replace. If I don't know that view is already existed, if I know, then you go for alter. Here one more command. Next we will discuss about alter. Here if I know already that view is existed on table, then you go with alter. Alter view. Means already I know that view is there in my table, so that I will alter, I will change the uh, data. But I know only, I don't know that view is already created on the table, so that I don't know of knowledge that view is already there. So that I will take this create or replace. What is the meaning? Create means it is not there, it is going to create. If already it is there, that same name s underscore details that view already existed, then it is going to replace. Now understand, replace the exist whatever the updated things I want to do it here. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Create or replace view student details as select SID instead of S name student name. I want to display here SID student ID and uh, what I told you age, right? Age from students where GPA is greater than 2.4 and who are girls. Gender equal to, understood everyone? Means already that view already existed. That view already exists. Which view? S underscore details view already existed. This view contains, it is going to display SID and student name who are having GPA greater than 2.5. Now I want to modify, I want to update this view with some additional columns and with additional conditions. So that here I am using, I don't know that view is existed or not. That is what the create or replace we need to use. If you don't know that view is already existed on student table, then you can use create or replace. If it is not existed, it will be create. If it is already existed, directly it will take replace it updated values. Now, here just I changed this and condition added. Are you clear this query? All of you clear? If it is clear, I will execute it. All of you clear?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Means I am not creating a new query existing, I'm not creating a new view, existing view I am modifying, replace or updating. Here, right. Here, view is created, view is replaced. Actually, it is there already. That's why it is replaced. Here, now we'll check S details, how it is showing. Yes, now it is showing only two students are like that. What is the condition? Here, greater than 2.4 and gender is female. Two female students are there. Here, like this, GPA 2.4. Are you clear? Are you clear about this? Create or replace?
Yes.
Yeah. If I don't know about that, if I know that view already created, s underscore details view already, I know that, but I don't know. I know that the view already there, but I want to change some of the things. That is, you can use alter. Actually, this create or replace and alter will take same thing. But the thing is, if I don't know that view is existed on table, then you can use create or replace. If you already know that view is already existed on the table, then you go for the alter. Then alter, how to change? Now I wanted to change something on the view, then you can use alter. So instead of writing create or replace, you write alter view view name, alter view and view name. Here now as select, now here we can change whatever the change you want. For example, SID name from students where GPA greater than 2.5, gender I want to display as a male. Are you clear? The same view I am using here. In the case, if I don't know the view is already created on the table, then you can use create or replace for updating of view. If you know that view is already there, you can use alter. You can use alter so that you can change the things because you know already view is there. Are you clear? Are you clear? The difference is clear, everyone. Hello? All of you clear this? Create or replace with alter. All of you clear? Yeah. Now just don't confuse. That is what I am telling. Now I am going to execute this query. Right. Here alter. Now I am using alter keyword because I know already s underscore details are already existed. So that instead of SID age, I am taking SID name. SID name means here STD name, right? STD underscore. STD student name from students where GPA is greater than 2.4 and gender equal to male. Now I am checking. Yes. Here again it is altered. My view is altered. Now I want to display select star from S underscore details. Yes. Now three students are like that. Male students. Yes. These are the three students are based on this view. Are you clear? Are you clear now? How to create view, how to create or replace view, how to display view, and how to alter view. All of you clear? Hello? All of you clear? Creating a view, updating a view, altering a view.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now after some time, that view, that job is done. Maybe placement officer, that the job, the batch is out. Now I want to drop that view. Sure. You can use like how to drop view, like uh, our how to drop table is the same way we can drop the view also. Drop view. The same like drop table, we need to do it. Tell me the drop command for table. How to drop? Hello? How to drop the table? Hello? How to drop the table? Hello? How to drop the table? Drop command.
Drop table, table name.
Yeah. Drop table, table name. Here view for view, drop view, view name. What is the view name? For example, if you wanted to drop which view, if you want to drop, just now we created S underscore details, right? Drop view S underscore details. So this is the way we can drop it. I will show you. Drop view name is S underscore details. Yes, view is dropped. For example, if you want to check that view, yeah, it will be show that view is table course essay details doesn't exist because the view is not there. The view is dropped. It is not going to access. Means everything is there under control. That means we can create the view, we can change the view, and we can alter the view, we can select the view, and we can drop the view. So that is same, very easy. Uh, when I am going to drop this view, here there is no any effect on table. My table is there. Here it is exactly because it is not taking any data from the table. It is a virtual table. Already I told you, views are virtual tables. It is not affecting anything on the tables. Just it is taking a image of the table and whatever the conditional data we are assigning at the time of view creation, only that data it is going to take it. So that it is never affect on our table. Are you clear? Are of you clear? So you can drop all the views, whatever the views you don't want. after any unusage of those drops, then you can drop the views on the table. Are you clear now? All of you clear about drop? Hello? All of you clear about the drop? Hello? I am not getting any voice from your side. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, even we can create views. Even we can create views on join class. Sure. Means you last class I discussed joins because of this topic only. Here we can apply views on joins also. I will show you one example and I will ask one or two samples to you. Then I will finish up the views. Okay. So now we can create a view with join class also. You know, we have discussed so many joins. We can apply all join classes under this view. Here I will show you one sample and you can apply all the join class samples under the view. Okay? Is it okay? Because we discussed about inner join, outer join, left outer, right outer, full outer, and equal join, non-equal join, cross join, conditional join. There are so many joins we discussed in the last class. Natural join even, so that we can apply all these joins under this view. It is possible. I will show you one view. Remaining joins we can you do it in your home with practical. You can get more practical knowledge, and it is very helpful for your placement. And even you go for any certification of our DBMS also it is going to help. Please try to go with one certification on DBMS. It is going to help a lot. 100% you will get the job. Okay. Hello. Are you there? Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, how to create a view with a giant. Here, before going to that, here you know when I going to discuss with giants, compulsory there is a association is there, foreign key integrity constraint is there. Here in my database already it is there. One is students and another one is the enrolled. Here both the table is having which is the common column. What is the common column? Primary key and foreign key. What is the common column? Tell me anyone. In both the tables, students and enrolled, which I discussed earlier, same example. SID is the same column name. SID is the primary key in the students. SID is the foreign key in the enrolled. You know very well. Now for that, here now I want to display from these two tables. I want to display SID and grade. SID and grade. Here SID is there in the SID or student name. I want to display student name and grade. Your student name is there in the students table and grade is there in the where? Where is the grade? Student table or enroll table? Enroll table. Now I am going to join using join operation and I am creating view on that. Here I will show you one view how to create. Later you I'm going to ask you how to explain. Here, create view, create view. For example, this view I am going to give to the training people. Then I am creating as a training. Create view, training. And you can write create or replace also. Because if it is not there, it is going to create. If it is already there, it is going to replace. So that you can use as a anticipator. Create or even replace. Here, like that also you can write a views. Are you clear? Here, when you write create or replace means if the training view is already existed, it is going to replace. If it is not existed, it will take create. Understand the meaning? Hello? All of you understood this?
Yes.
Please habituate to write of views like this. Create or replace. Okay, please. Training as select. What are the things I wanted to select? S dot std name, right? Hello? Student name
Yes.
and E dot grade from students S, comma, enrolled E. Now we need to write join condition. What is the join condition? Under where class we need to write? Where S dot SID equal, tell me. Simply you are watching like a movie.
E dot.
E dot SID. Yeah. Now view is, I am creating view of this. Now I am creating this view and I am going to send this view to placement officer. So this is the view. Create or replace view. View name is training as select S dot student name and grade from students as enrollee, where as a join condition I am creating like this. Right. Right. View is created successfully. If I wanted to view this view, then placement officer is going to uh, display the view. Select star from view name is training. Now it is showing here student name and their grades. Simply it is showing. Are you clear? All of you clear? How to
Yes.
write views on joins. Now, if you are clear, then tell me. Now, I want to display quickly. I want to student display student names, display student names and GPA and grade. Display student means create view for displaying student name, student GPA and student grade who are having GPA greater than 2.4, grade is A, and who are girls. Who are girls. Now tell me the view. You can use same name training view as a training name you can use as a view name. Quickly, time is running. Have you understood my
Create
question?
or replace.
Sorry?
Create or replace view.
Yeah. Create. Who is this? May I know your name? Create.
Anusha, sir.
uh, Replace. view,
Training as.
training as,
Select s.std name.
select s dot student name,
S dot comma s dot gpa
GPA,
comma e dot grade
grade,
from students s comma enrolled e
control E,
where gpa greater than 2.4
they write directly GPA,
S dot GPA
s dot GPA,
greater than 2.
2.4
2.4,
and s dot grade e dot grade is equals to a.
and E dot grade is equals to A,
And s dot gender equals to f.
and S dot gender is equals to F. Or
Yes, sir.
something is missing. Just check it. Is this going to work or error?
After where s dot
Semicolon.
sid equals to e dot sid.
We need to write giant condition. That is a giant condition, right?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, we can write here instead of comma, you can write natural giant also, like that. We have so many categories of giants, right? If you wanted to, without writing of any condition here, we can write instead of comma in between, you write natural giant. Are you clear? Yesterday, in the
Yes,
last
sir.
class, what we have discussed. Are you clear? Are you clear? Sure. When we wanted to join more than one table, compulsory we need to apply join condition. So whatever the type of join you are using, that is up to you. Are you clear now? Hello? Are you
Yes, sir.
clear?
Clear.
Yeah. Sure. Don't expect after where only I should write join condition. Even you can write join here also. What is that? S dot SID equal, tell me.
E dot sid.
A dot SID. Here also we can write. Don't think after where only I should write the joint condition. Here you can write wherever the situation comes, you can write it. Here, just I am writing. Right. My view is executed. Then I am going to display. Select the star from training. Yes. No student like that. There's no student are there for this condition. Then I will change here instead of female, I will change male now. Now this view is replaced. Yeah, one student is there like this. Here, what is that? Here is the male student, greater than GPA 2.4, and grade is A. Here, like that, we have one student. Here, like that, whenever the conditions will come for creating a views, yes, we can have select queries, different categories of select queries. We can use it and we can create as a view, and you can use that views to people who needs, so that our data cannot be reflect, our data cannot be affect, original data is as it is. So that is what exactly the advantages of views. Now clear about this, how to create a view with giant class also. All of you clear? All of you clear?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes.
Yeah. If it is clear, then uh, then I want to discuss about advantages of views. Here coming to advantages of views. Here, very important topic because many times they are asking creating views, altering views, uh, drop views. Along with that, they are asking advantages also. Here, as I said, everything I discussed along with the example, even though I am going to discuss again once this advantage of views. So just I am going to read, then automatically you can understand because already all these things we discussed earlier. Views provides the data security. Yes or no? Views are going to provide data security or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Views are, yes, right? Because we are not sharing complete data to anyone. Just we are giving only readable data to particular user. So that they cannot edit, they cannot delete, they cannot modify. And just they can view. And even we are not sharing complete data, we are sharing only required data. So that views are going to provide security of our data. Is accepted? Accepted.
Yes.
Yeah. Views contains only a part of data. Correct? Views contains only part of data. We are not giving complete data. We are giving only related data, part of the data of my table. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because we are giving sometimes the data to the unauthorized users so that they can access only the part of data, not all the data. Just so that we can get the more secure of our data with help of views. If there is no view, then we are going to assign complete table so that there is a chance of security issues. So that is the first advantage. Coming to second advantage, different users can view same data from different perspective in different way at the same time. Exactly. Already I told you this. Here, different people they want to access different data. Just now we discussed about here girl student view, boy student view, and sometimes training view and student details view. The same table we have created many views. Here, different people want to access different type of data at the same time from the same database. Even I told you, any already I created views, this many views. Now I want to insert one new record into my table. So that automatically reflected into the views. So no need to update any view now. Automatically it will be updated. That is the advantage of view. You insert 20 records after creation of views. If you insert 20 records, that new 20 records also automatically reflected to views. So that is the advantages of views. Are you clear? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
clear? Yeah. Views can be used to hide complex queries such as the queries which involves joins operation. Exactly. Here we are not given the join all these things. Just we are giving to training. The training placement people they don't know, or HR people they don't know create how to create the joins, how to create the conditional joins, how to create the complex queries. They are very much unknown people of MySQL or SQL programming language. So that just we give the view. So this is the view for you. Then they will execute, select star from view. Then they will type that, they will get the data directly. So that here we are not giving more complex to any user. We are giving very simplification of solution uh, with this views. So that it is going to help a lot. Are you clear? Are you clear? We are avoiding the complexity of queries. Just we are giving view names to them so that they no need to learn complexity queries to access our data. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And views can also be used to include external additional information. Exactly. Here, views, you can add your own information. For views, you can add your own information externally, and we can give add columns and remove columns. Just now we verify that altering or maybe the replacing here, so that here whenever after some time we created one view after some days that placement people are asking No, no, I want along with GPA, I want phone number also because I want to trace the students. So that you can use create or replace command, or you can use alter command, and you can update that particular field. So that here automatically additional information also we can add with views without changing of existing view, because no need to drop that view, you can add whatever the data you want. So that is the advantage. These are the advantages for the views. Very important disadvantages. All of you clear these advantages? All of you clear about these advantages?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, please. Now students, 58 students are joined now. Because of the attendance, now these people are joined. I don't know why. This is not right way. Okay. Everyone is understood views. Actually, I thought one more comment also I want to discuss, but there is no time, already 9:20. So that I am stopping